Good morning, 早上好。Last lesson, we learned how to use 班 and how to use 开. There are so many ways to use 开, right? 开 means open, means to drive, means boiled, means blah 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 blah. Do you still remember? If you already forgot, don't forget to review and watch the video again. Because last lesson we learned how to use 开, and today we are going to learn how to use 关. 关 means close, right? Yes. But actually there are 5 common ways to use 关. Today let's learn together. Yes, the main meaning. It's not just the main meaning. I mean the common way to use 关 means close. Yes. Okay, let's read the sentence together. 外边冷，快关门。外边 means outside. Outside. 外边冷 cold. So it's cold outside. We can just say 外边冷。冷 means cold. 外边冷，快关门。快 means hurry up. Do something quickly. 关 means close here. 门 the door. Close the door quickly. It's cold outside. Close the door quickly. 外边冷，快关门。快关门。Close the door quickly. So the first way to use 关 it means close. 关门，关门。We can also say 关窗户 close the window. 关 okay. And the second way, 你别忘了关灯。Look at this little boy. He's reminding you, 你别忘了关灯. What does it mean? 你 you 别 don't do not 忘了 don't forget to 关灯 关 means turn off. So 关灯你别忘了关灯 means don't forget to turn off the light. So 开灯 means turn on the light. 关灯 means turn off the light. 开门 means open the door. 关门 means close the door. So 1 and 2, well, somehow we can remember them easily. But have you ever seen the third way to use 关? I think it's very common because many, if you are in China, you see it's closed. There's a big character, it's 关, right? But actually sometimes it's really confusing because 关here it has 2 meanings. Okay, let's read. 很多商店9点关门. Or sometimes they don't say 9点 9 o'clock. They just say 很多商店关了. What's the difference between them? Okay, here 很多商店很多 means a lot or many. 商店 stores, many stores. 9点 9 o'clock. 关门 close. Many stores are closed at 9 o'clock. In this case, if they tell you about the time, 关门 means just closed. It's closed. They will open tomorrow, okay? But if they don't tell you the time, they just say 很多商店关门了 with a 了 or 很多商店关了. Sometimes it means also it's similar English means close, but it's closed forever. Maybe the store is gone. So 关 has 2 meanings here. If they tell you the time, maybe it means the normal time, and they just close at 9 p.m. But if they don't tell you the time, they just say 很多商店关门了 or 关了 means many stores closed forever, like that. Okay, next one. This way to use 关, it's really special because actually you can just remember the whole sentence because it's a very common way to say it. 这不关你的事儿。这不关你的事儿 means it has nothing to do with you. So 关 somebody 的事儿，关 somebody 的事儿 means has something to do with somebody. Okay, so 这不关他的事儿 it has nothing to do with him. Okay, so 关 here means relationship, means relative, also means has something to do with somebody's business. So you can also translate this sentence like it's none of your business. 这不关你的事儿 because it has nothing to do with you. Okay, this is a very special way to use 关, but remember 关 somebody 的事儿. Okay. Next one, 推. Have you ever seen this character before? I'm sure you do, because it's a very common character on many doors. If you go to the store, you see the door. Sometimes you can see this character because it means to push the door, to push. It's 推, pull, it's 拉, right? So 推 means to push something. So don't push me. We can say 别推我. 别 here do not do something. So 别推 do not push 我 it's me or I. So 别推我 means don't push me. 别推门 means don't push the door. So 推 the common way to use 推 is to push, right? 别推我 don't push me. 别推门 don't push the door. And the second way to use 推, have you ever heard this before? 推几天再说. 推几天再说. What does it mean? 推 push 几天 means how many days, and 几天 also means a few days. It depends on here. If it's not a question, 几天 means a few days. Push a few days? No, it doesn't make sense, right? So here means postpone, delay. So 推几天再说. 再 again, let's talk about it like few days later. So like let's postpone a few days later and talk it again. So 推几天, when 推 is before the time, basically it means postpone. You can also say 推到下个星期, let's postpone to next week. And with the accurate time, you can add 到, 推到下星期天, let's postpone to next Sunday. Okay, so 推几天 means postpone a few days, delay a few days, not now. So 推 means to delay or means to postpone, 推 here. Okay. The third way to use 推, 这是给你的礼物，别推了。这是给你的礼物，别推了。这是 means this is 给你 for you， 给你的礼物 present gift. This is a gift for you. 别推了 we learned 别 many times. Do not. Here 推 postpone. No. Here means don't decline. Do not reject. 别推了 just accept it. 别推了 don't reject it. Don't decline it. So when you give something to somebody, you can say 别推了 don't reject it. Don't decline it. Just accept it. So 别推了 here, it doesn't mean don't push it. Basically, when you reject something, actually you can't like to push something away, right? So sometimes 别推了 means do not reject, do not decline it. Okay, 别推了. The third way to use 推 means to decline or to reject. Next one. 我推这道菜. Have you ever seen this? It's really common, right? Because if you know there's a word, it's 推荐 recommendation. Here, 推 means recommend, to recommend something. 我推他 I recommend him. 他很好我推他. So 我推这道菜 I recommend this dish. Okay, it has many ways to use 推 right? Let's review one more time. First one, 别推我 don't push me. So 推 means to push. Okay? 推几天再说 to postpone, to delay. Okay, so a few days later, let's postpone a few days later. 推几天 and then we talk again. So 推几天 means to postpone a few days, to delay a few days. And next one, 这是给你的礼物，别推了 Don't reject it, don't decline it, because it's for you. Don't say no, 别推了 Okay? And next one, 我推这道菜 I push this dish to you means I recommend this to you. 我推 Sometimes you can also say 我推荐这道菜 It's the same thing, okay? 我推这道菜 recommend, to recommend something 推 Okay, so today we learned 2 special verbs. So do you have any questions? If you don't have, don't forget to use these 2 characters to make some sentences. If you have some questions, don't forget to ask me the questions, okay? Thank you for watching today. I will see you next time. 谢谢你们，再见。